Alright, so we'll start off by writing, what did we write? 10 is equal to 10 to the 1. And 100, 1000, 10 to the 3, 10,000. And then, alright, so you know the rest of it. Right, so pick a number. 235,000. Alright, so we start off with, there's the decimal point. And in scientific notation, we have to write the answer like this, 8 by 10 to the x, where this number has to be between 1 and 9. So we start off with the decimal point here, and we'll count the number of jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.3 is between 1 and 9. So how many jumps did we make? 5.
So it'll be 100,000. So can it be any?
The decimal point was there, so 2.35. Yeah, because remember 10 to the power 5 is, well, that was 10,000, 100,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you do that in the calculator, 2.3 by 10 to the 5, you'll get that number, 235,000.
Can it be any letter?
Any letter, it doesn't matter. Right, so we'll try another, call out another one. Ben, make up one.
8,000.
8,000.
888.
888. Alright. So, same again. This is what the answer is going to look like. Oh, I see. Yeah, you can use any number, so you can put n up there if you want. So, how many places are we going to move? 1, 2, 3, because 8 is between 1 and 9. So we moved 3 places. The decimal point was left there.
So 8.8.
8.888. Alright?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to write 8.8888.
Yeah, just keep it accurate. Give us another one there. Make up one, doesn't matter. 75,000. Alright, we'll start here. And how many jumps do we do? Just look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, because 7.5 is between 1 and 9. So we'll replace that with 4 and replace that with 7.5. Alright?
Yep.
So that really means 7.5 times, what's 10 to the 4? 10,000. So 7.5 times 10,000, if you do that in the calculator, you get 75,000.
Is it alright if you write 7.50?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
It just doesn't matter after the point.
Okay, yeah. Right. Another way. If you have a decimal and you want to use this. Alright. If I go this way, it's kind of the opposite of.
So it's going to be minus.
Yeah, it's going to be a minus, because you see this number. This number is it's less than 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if the number is less than 1, we say this is going to be a minus. This number up here. So how many jumps do we need to take until the number is between 1 and 9? 1, 2. So we go 1. Well, it'll be 4.5. Forgetting about these 2 zeros, alright? It'll be 4.5. And how many jumps did we make?
3.
Instead of having a plus 2, it's a minus 2. Alright? So minus 2.
So that equals to.
So if I multiply these 2, I'll get my answer back. 0.045. Alright? If I multiply those 2, I'll get my decimal back. Okay? Now, Remember what we did up here? If you look up,
0.0.
10 to the 1, 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 10 to the power minus 1, what do you think it is? It's a
2.
0 point,
Oh, 0.01.
0.1.
Sorry.
And what do you think 10 to the power of minus 2 is?
0.01.
0.01. That's it. 10 to the minus 3.
0.001.
Yeah.
And so,
If you look at it, the minus 1, 10 to the minus 1, look up. How many zeros are in it?
2.
This one?
Oh,
1.
1.
Look at 10 to the 1. How many? 1. There's 1, 0. 10 to the... Oh. Sorry, 10 to the 2. There are 2 zeros. If you look up here, 10 to the minus 1. There are still 1 zeros. 10 to the minus 2. There's still 2 zeros. 10 to the minus 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Decimal point is there. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, so try another one. Make up another decimal.
700.
What?
7,000.
Oh, we'll go the other way. We'll go 0 point.
Or 0.700. 855.
85. Alright, so you go 0.0855. Alright. What I'll do is I'll put a 0 there. Change that into an 8. Right, so Ben, how many jumps do I need to make until I get to here?
2. 3. 3.
3. Alright, so it's minus 3 because this is a very, look at it's a small decimal. And the decimal point landed here. 8.5, that's between 1 and 9, isn't it? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The answer would be 0.001.
0 point.
001. The answer, like, you know, for going across. Do you know how it's 8.
So what, you do one here now.
Alright,
Alright, so I'll make 0 point.
0.0735.
Alright. Now, how many spaces do we have to move the decimal point now? Until it gets the number.
3.
Hold on, watch. 1, 2, 3. If you look up. 1, 2, 3. That's 73.5. Is that between 1 and 10?
No.
Did I go too far? Will you look up? Look up. Look up. If you go 3 spaces, you land here. 73.5. That's not between 1 and 10. 0.7. 7.3. That's between 1 and 10. I stop here. So it's 7.35.
Well, how come it's not 3.5?
And I jumped 2 spaces.
That'd be 73.5 then.
Right, you just weren't paying attention.
Yeah, I get it.
Will you look up now?
I get it.
Alright, I keep jumping until I get until my number is between 1 and 9. 1 jump. 2. 3. Is my number between 1 and 9? That's 0.135.
No.
4.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright, 1.3 is between 1 and 9. So I jumped 4. So I'll stop there. I write down 1.35 by, I jumped 4 places, but it's a decimal, so it's a minus, isn't it?
Yeah, so 0.00041.
Okay. So if I multiply those two together in the calculator, I'll get my big decimal.